Hello everybody, back with some more new old stock finds. Going to start with this. Some Eagle Manufacturing Company, Long Island City, New York. What could we have here? Some single pole toggle switches in ivory. $13.01s. These are not mercury switches, but I've got a couple of spots I can put these. These are just your normal toggle switches, but they are made in the USA. Not sure if this means a date code of 1981. Who knows? I would think they're quite a bit older than that, but new old stock nonetheless, and awesome. Got some more of these in. These lighted three-way switches. I got 4 of them. Actually ordered 3, but they threw in 1 cheap is free, so that's good. I'm going to put 1 on the other end of the hall, and then I'll have 1 spare. Then they were also kind enough to send cheap is free 1 more of these single pole lighted mercury switches. So, very happy to have these. I'm sure I will be able to enjoy them for years to come. Now, we got some small town hardware finds. I found 2 of these 3-way bulbs that are getting quite difficult to find. These have been sitting a while. They're quite dusty. But they're going to go in my 3-way bulb hoard. There's a second box. Same thing. I'm sure I will enjoy these. And then I found an Ace branded 3-way 70 or 30, 70, 100. That one's also been sitting on the shelf for quite a while. Kind of in this corrugated packaging. Seems like I saw a copyright of 1994. I don't know that it's that old, but could be. Picked up a couple of. Never know. Don't think these are very old, but this is. It's been sitting on the shelf a while. A tubular bulb by Westinghouse. That's got a copyright of 2000. Just thought that was a cool looking bulb, so I got it. And then I got a little bit bigger one, a 25-watt bulb. That one's got a copyright of 1993, so at some point I'll give some of these a test and we can check them out if I decide to do a light bulb video. But that's so this has been another look at some new old stock finds. Thank you for watching.